Alright, and before we go and use this little audio file and drag it onto an audio channel here, I just want to point out by default, Ableton loads up a blank new project file with 120 BPM. So this is our default tempo, and we can obviously change it, or the default tempo will also change if your first file has a different tempo. Alright, just quickly pointing out that we are starting our project by default at 120 beats per minute. This is the default tempo of Ableton when you first launch it. Now, when loading your first piece of audio into the project, Ableton might adjust your overall tempo according to the sample you're loading in. So if I'm taking my little drum loop here, PML drum loop number 1, and I'm loading it onto an audio track, you see, Ableton adjusts our project tempo to 105 beats per minute because this sample, this piece of audio, actually runs at 105 BPM, beats per minute. So this is very handy if you start out with Ableton, and the next file you're loading in won't change the tempo anymore. But of course you can also change the tempo by yourself just by clicking into the tempo field and typing in your preferred tempo. Okay, let's play this clip on this audio track here. Hit this little play knob. Now, as you can see, we have a drum loop here and it's repeating. When it's finished here, it just goes back to the start and plays again. And that's due to the fact that loop is activated here by default if our drum loop is long enough.